Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by choosing the best original file and preparing it properly. Use a high-resolution image, 1080px minimum, and crop to the featured photo aspect so Facebook doesn't rescale harshly. Once done, export as JPEG at 85% quality or PNG for text-heavy graphics. This balances sharpness and file size. Make sure you upload from desktop or the Facebook web uploader on Wi-Fi to avoid app-side compression. Begin with the Next, you assign the prepared image as a featured photo. Go to your profile, open Featured, and choose Add or Edit. You'll select the file you prepped and inspect the preview. This is where most blurry results are evident, so zoom and verify. If you need to reposition or rotate, do it on desktop where Facebook applies less aggressive mobile compression. Once positioned, save and wait for the page to fully refresh to ensure the new image baked into the cache correctly. Finally, confirm your featured photo is sharp by clearing your browser cache or viewing in an incognito window. You want to see the actual served image, not a cached version. If it still appears blurry, re-export at a slightly larger size or switch to PNG and reupload. Small size increases often bypass Facebook's heavy downscaling. If problems persist, report it through Facebook Help and include image dimensions and file size so they can trace compression issues. This often speeds a resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.